Lei Dakshina Rishi Gayu Gosai. He says, Prabhu, he proceeded in a southerly direction. You see, in the beginning of the discourse, Shri Ram and Bhaya Lakshman, in search of Mata Janaki Ji, they had no clue, no direction where they are going. And here now, because he did not bypass his devotee. You know, when you are on your journey for something, you don't care about the rest. But he showed affection and care. And because of that, he's been told the direction he should go to find Mother Sita. He says, Prabhu, I tried my best, but I failed. But I do not regret my action. Even though he's in that state of mind, he said, Prabhu, I tried. And it's always good to try and fail to try. He said, Prabhu, I tried, but I failed, but I do not regret. He said, Prabhu, meeting you is the most blessed moment in my life. How can we meet the divine devotees? Is it possible for us to meet the divine? You know, there are ways and means of meeting the divine. And how can we? What are the prescriptions for meeting with the divine? Well, one of the most preferable decisions to meet with the divine is through satsang. It's coming together in occasion like this. And Swami Shankaracharya is telling us what is satsang. What are the benefits of satsang? And in Bhaja Govinda, he's telling us, Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Govindam Bhaja. Swami Shankaracharya says, Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Govindam Bhaja Moramate. He says, O man, O devotee, lift your mind and spirit onto Bhagavan. Seek the divine. When you must seek the divine? Now is the time. Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam. चाहिए निर्मोहत्वम। निर्मोहत्व निश्चयतीत, निर्मोहत्व निश्चयतीत, निश्चयतीते जीवन मुक्ति, भज गोविंदम भज गोविंदम, गोविंदम भज रमते, भज गोविंदम भज गोविंदम, गोविंदम भज। प्रेम से बोले सियापति रामचंद्र की जय। स्वामी शंकराचार्य से भज गोविंदम भज गोविंदम। You know Bhaja Govindam? Praise the Lord Shri Krishna. He said, lift your mind and spirit. Who can lift your mind and spirit, friends? It's our responsibility. This is our responsibility to find ourselves in satsang. Very often, I'll go tomorrow, I'll go next week, I'll go next month, I'll go next year. I don't have time. He says, now is the time to lift your mind and spirit onto the divine. He says, don't be left behind. It is your loss. It is my loss. Because devotees, yesterday is gone. You cannot do anything yesterday again. And today will soon be yesterday. In a few hours, today will soon be yesterday. So what are we doing? And tomorrow, we are looking forward for tomorrow. But soon, tomorrow will be today. So when we want to postpone every action from today to tomorrow, can't hold our hope. There is no tomorrow. So he's saying now is the time to lift your mind and spirit. And what is the avenue? Satsang. He said, Satsang gatve, nisang gatve, nisang gatve nirmohatvam. Nirmohatvam nishcha chite jivan mukti. You know, friends, satsang enables us to free our mind from all negative attitudes. Satsang encourages us to be in tune with each other. As we gather here, as I said before, we are all devotees. And this is what satsang is, to bring people together. Why are we avoiding this? Why? We don't want to be together. We keep hating each other.